Hi! In front of me is DOOGEE S96 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can set up screen lock on this device. First of all, go into Settings and scroll down. Now you need to choose Security, click on Screen Lock over here and pick one of the locking methods by clicking at the chosen one. Swipe pattern, PIN or password. Then enter it, click Next at the bottom right corner, repeat it and tap Confirm. Over here you need to choose how do you want the lock screen to display your notifications. I want to choose Don't Show Notifications at all, so I have to click on this option and tap Done. So now when I turn off my screen and turn it back on, icons that pattern is required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!